Yeah, bad. Right.
Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Umar and I'll be your host for today's show entitled A Simple Trick to Save Your Crop. Through Wsdg, a method designed for water irrigation device so cheap, efficient and easy, you can make one in under a minute. But before we get into the demo, I'd like to invite the person who sparked this innovation. With that, I invite you, Arima.
Hi, I'm the lead researcher for this group. Our goal is to contribute to sustainable agriculture and resource management. Amazingly, this device does both. Now, currently, the world today is facing a looming water and food crisis, with predictions indicating that by the end of this decade, water demand will outstrip supply by 40%. Right? 40%. These issues can lead to reduced crop yields, lower food productions, and even economic hardship for farmers. But with our innovation, all of these issues can be solved. But for the design itself, let's hear it from our designer.
Hello, my name is Dato, and my goal here is to keep the project simple and easy to do. So I choose a few simple material, which is water bottle, tissue paper, and scissors. So this material is accessible for everyone. So now I will explain how does this thing is. So the tissue paper is folded into the water bottle, and it allows the water to drip gradually, and so the soil stay moist without flooding. And now it just creates a simple water system for growing crops. So the advantage is no complex setup needed. So this innovation can be used in places with low water supply, such as Africa.
Wait, that's it. It's so simple and cheap. Like, it will take no effort at all. But that's kinda genius. I mean, who will have access pipe, a water pump, and a big water tower in a place where water is rare and scarce? How do you even make one?
How do I make one? Huh?
Actually, it's pretty simple. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Kaisar, and I'll be showing you on how to make the most simple drip irrigation system using a few basic materials. To make one is as simple as it gets. Firstly, the materials.
Okay, firstly, the twigs. We trim them of any parts that we wouldn't need to make it a support for the bottle. Good 2 supports to hang the bottle or lay it down on the soil in place. Next, the bottle. We remove any labeling for purpose usages and make a small hole at the bottom. Okay. After cutting the bottle at the mouth, we take a piece of fabric or any material that water can flow through so that it can fit at the mouth of the bottle. For the final step, align the sticks with the bottle and make sure both of them are the same height. Get your material to stick to the bottle and carefully attach the stick to the bottle in place. And then the second one following the same set. Now this would almost work with another set, but to make sure it stays in place and doesn't crumble or shake or change position, I will add a bit more. With another set at the end, I'd say that this contraption is finally ready to be tested. Let's go. Okay, with it ready, let's add some water and test it out. If your rate of water dripping down is too fast, we would suggest you to add more or tighten the hole in which the water comes from to slow down the rate of water dripping. With that, I guess this thing works. To finally put it to the test, let's add it to some soil and see what it can do. Let's go. Okay, we've reached our plot of soil that we want to test it on. So, we would, as thought of, make 2 holes in which the area we want to water and place it so that it won't move. Now if the holes meet, let's place it down. As you can see, it's steadily keeping the soil wet. But it does the job. As simple, ethical, and very unhinged as I would say, but it gets the job done with the materials that you have on hand.
And there you have it, a makeshift drip irrigation design that's cheap and easy to make.
Thank you, Kaisa. With that, we've reached the end of our show. Thank you for watching and see you next time.